So, hello, you are welcome again. This is another example of a simultaneous equation solving. Here we have 2x plus y is 12, 6x plus 5y is equal to 40. So these are the two equations that we want to address. We want to find x and y. You need to have watched my first two videos that explain how you go about solving simultaneous equations. So it's better you watch that first before you try following this particular video so that you don't get confused. So the first step is to try to get rid of either x or y so that we can find one of it. And later we will now find the second. So mere looking at these two equations, right? Which one do you think is easier to get rid of? I think is y. Yeah, y. So what do we do? If we multiply equation A through by 5, we get a 5y here. So we have 5 here, 5y here. So it's easy to get rid of this by subtracting them from each other. So that's the hint. So now let's get working. Let's get rid of y. Let's read y out by equation A multiplied by 5. When we do that, this is what we get. 5 times 2, we get 10. 5 times y, we get 5y. 5 times 12, we get 60. So equation A has been transformed to this equation. So guys, let's move on. Now that we have transformed equation A to be this, we now try to subtract this equation, which is the second one, equation B, from equation A. So we have 10x minus 6x will give us 4. 5 minus 5 will give us 0. Then we have 4x is equal to 20. X is equal to 20 divided by 4. Why? We need to have x on one side, like times on one side. And to take 4x to the other side, it will have to come to the bottom. It will have to become a denominator on the other side of the equation. So we have x is equal to 5. So we have that x is equal to 5. So then, if x is equal to 5, let's substitute x into either of the equations, whether equation 1 or 2. So I pick this one. So we have 2x plus y is equal to 12. 2 times 5, because x is now 5, plus y is equal to 12. 2 times 5 is 10, plus y is equal to 12. Now we're trying to find what y is. So we leave y on this side and we take 10 to the other side. Plus 10 on this side, once it gets crossed over to the other side, it becomes a minus. It becomes the opposite. So y is equal to 12 minus 10, which is 2. Now we have that y is 2 and x is 5. Now let us test if these two answers for x and y are correct. So let's pick either of the equation, either equation A or B. So we pick this one. Let's us test x and y if these are correct. 6x plus 5y is equal to 40. 6x will be 6 times 5 because x is now 5. Plus 5 times y, 5 times 2, because y is now 2. 6 times 5 will give us 30. 5 times 2 will give us 10. 30 plus 10 is truly 40. So that is correct. So this is a proof that our x and y are correct. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I want you to comment below if there's anything confusing, anything you do not understand. I am willing to explain so that you get a very good hang of this simultaneous equation solving. Bye for now.